All right, guys, this is a 1-week review of the FITCAMX Oem-Style 4K dash cam. So after about a week's use so far, I have had no problems, no issues as far as the app connectivity, no issues with any of the functions of the app. I had no issues downloading any files and videos, no issues with pretty much anything. Every video I've viewed is crystal clear in the resolution that I've chose. If I want audio on, that works well. If I want it off, that works fine as well. So one question that comes to mind is, when I install the FITCAMX dash cam, will that affect my Uconnect Guardian in any way? So this is a powered rear view mirror, and you can subscribe to Uconnect Guardian and have additional services such as the SOS in the event of emergency and the roadside assistance. And there's your power button in the middle. It doesn't affect any function of your Uconnect Guardian because the plug and play harness allows you to retain all your factory OEM functions of your rear view mirror. So you won't have any issues as far as your Uconnect Guardian services. Now, I'll also be doing a 6-month review of the dash cam to see how it holds up in the summertime. Now, one flaw of the mirror dash cam that I had installed, go check that video out as well, is that it overheated, and that's what caused it to fail. We had some extreme temperatures during the summertime, and it ended up started to flickering and blinking in and out, and then it just suddenly failed. But this has air vents on the bottom as well as around the front side, so any heat that builds up inside there is able to easily dissipate out and keep the unit cooled. The 4K mirror dash cam, it didn't have any vents at all. It's like when that thing overheats, all that heat is trapped inside of the dash cam. So that's a major flaw in the design of that dash cam, but this one I think will hold up for a long time. So now I'm gonna just roll some footage from today from the FITCAMX dash cam in 1440 resolution, and I'm gonna just play some background music produced by yours truly. So enjoy the rest of the video.